In this video, we're going to be installing the DyeDefender. First step, identify the valve end, which has the black cap that'll be oriented towards the handle. Next, identify the brass face with the flat end. This is going to be positioned at the top of the cable, nested just underneath the sleeve at that U-bolt secondary clamp. So we'll begin securing the DyeDefender using the embedded stainless steel ties in the pocket of the DyeDefender organizers. Wrap those steel ties around the steel armored elements of the shield, and we'll tighten by hand at first along the length of the DyeDefender, and then come back and use the stainless steel cable tie gun to make sure it's nice and tight. We'll continue securing the stainless steel ties along the length of the DyeDefender, again tightening by hand at first, and then using that steel tie cable gun to tighten and then trim the tails off of those stainless steel ties to make sure there's no exposed or sharp edges. Once the steel ties have been completely tightened and trimmed, we'll simply close the Velcro sleeve around the DyeDefender, starting up at the machine end, and close it along the length to completely seal it in and integrate it underneath that Velcro sleeve. Once that sleeve is completely closed, installation is complete.